Big plane departures from very close up. Hello everyone, welcome to the Luxury Kingdom. Today we're going to see big plane departures from very close up. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to never miss an update from us. KLM Boeing 777-300ER takeoff to New York. The Boeing 777-300ER is available for flights to Buenos Aires, Singapore, and Tokyo. In 2008, the company introduced the Boeing 777-300ER, a longer variant of the 777-200ER to its fleet. Because of its twin-jet engines with 175,000 horsepower, this 777 can accelerate from 0 to 96 km per hour in 6 seconds. As a result, they are classified in the Guinness Book of Records as the most powerful jet engines. Depending on the season, you may fly to Buenos Aires, Santiago de Chile, Singapore, Denpasar, Tokyo, or one of our other fantastic places. LATAM Cargo Boeing 767-300F takeoff to Frankfurt. LATAM Airlines Group has declared that it would increase its cargo fleet from 11 to 21 Boeing 767 planes by 2023. This will nearly triple LATAM's freighter capacity, making it the largest cargo operator in Latin America. LATAM presently operates 11 Boeing 767-300F aircraft. Despite the fact that the COVID-19 outbreak has had a significant impact on the majority of LATAM's operations, the freighter segment is rising steadily. LATAM's cargo revenues increased by 36.8% in the first quarter of 2021, totaling to $345.2 million. LATAM said in March it will convert up to 8 767s into freighters in order to secure this market. Emirates Airbus A380-800 takeoff to Dubai. Emirates is one of the few airlines that currently operates the Airbus A380, a dying breed of aircraft that will be phased out by Airbus shortly. However, the world's largest A380 operator is not giving up on the world's largest passenger airplane. The Middle Eastern mega carrier launched a significant refurbishment of its flagship aircraft on Tuesday, including modifications to every cabin and the inclusion of a premium economy class, a first for the 35-year-old Emirates. The first upgraded A380 has already landed in Dubai, with more to follow in the following 2 years. Qatar Airways Boeing 777-300ER takeoff to Doha. Qatar Airways operates the Boeing 777-300ER to a number of long-distance destinations. The B777-300ER comes in 3 variants, each with just 2 classes of service. With all business class seats with 180-degree reclining, business class is found from rows 1 to 7 in this version, and economy class begins on row 10 and ends on row 43. This aeroplane has 42 business class seats and 316 economy class seats. Because to the existence of an entertainment equipment box under the seat in front, all A, D, and K seats in economy class may have restricted legroom and storage space underneath the seat. In economy class, the armrests do not fully extend. Malaysia Airlines Airbus A330-200 takeoff to Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia Airlines Berhad, MAB Malay Penerbangan Malaysia Berhad, formerly known as Malaysian Airline and currently branded as Malaysia Airlines, is Malaysia's flag carrier and a member of the One World Airline Alliance. Kuala Lumpur International Airport serves as the company's headquarters. It primarily serves destinations in Asia, Oceania, Europe from Kuala Lumpur International Airport, and secondary hubs in Kota Kinabalu and Kuching. Malaysia Airlines has leased 6 Airbus A330-200s, which will be deployed on many high-demand medium-distance routes. The aircraft are second-hand and have been configured in the same manner as their previous operator, Air Berlin, with 19 business-class seats and 268 economy-class seats. Between 2003 and 2013, the airline flew 5 older-generation A330-200s. Saudia Boeing 787-10 takeoff to Riyadh. Saudia now has 5 787-10 Dreamliners in its fleet. The planes are an important part of Saudia's fleet renovation and transformation program. The airline is still waiting for 8 more 787-10 Dreamliners. The existing 787-10s will supplement Saudia's existing fleet of 13 Boeing 787-9 Dreamliners. The Saudia Dreamliners will travel to numerous of the airline's foreign destinations, including ports in the United States, Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East area, in addition to some of the busiest local sectors. Following a period of decline and market share loss in the early part of the previous decade, Saudia has lately begun on an ambitious reform effort. This initiative entailed seeking expansion and growing its fleet. Saudi is pursuing product enhancements, cost-cutting measures, and a successful multi-brand strategy. KLM Airbus A330-200 takeoff to Delhi. The Airbus A330 is a wide-body aircraft that was developed and manufactured by Airbus. In the mid-1970s, Airbus developed many variants of the A300, its first aircraft. The firm then began work on the A330 twin-jet alongside the A340 quad-jet, and both designs received their first orders in June 1987. The first type, the A330-300, flew for the first time in November 1992 and began service with Air Inter in January 1994. In 1998, the significantly shorter A330-200 version was introduced. The A330 Airbus first airliner was envisioned as part of a broad family of commercial aircraft. In order to achieve this aim, research into A300 variants began in the early 1970s. Prior to the introduction of the A300, Airbus identified 9 alternative variants labeled B1 through B9. Thanks for watching the video. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.